Good morning, my dear students. Our today's topic from lesson number 5, editing data in Microsoft Excel, is editing commands. Children, till now, from this lesson, we have seen how to select cells and how to edit cells. We know MS Excel is a very useful application program. We enter data into a grid of rectangular cells called worksheet. In the previous class, we have learnt how to open MS Excel and enter data in an MS Excel document. Children, let us see what is the use of editing commands. Undo and redo, these are the editing commands which are used to edit the data which we have entered in an Excel worksheet. Children, undo command, this is used to revert the last action we have performed. Okay, whatever the last action we did, whatever the last action we have performed, to revert that action, revert means to reverse it, we need to press undo button on the quick access toolbar. See children, this undo and redo button, these are available on quick access toolbar because these are the buttons which are frequently needed. We know that quick access toolbar contains the commands which are frequently needed. Frequently means again and again. We need it again and again while preparing our Excel document. So undo command, it is used to revert the last action which we have performed. Suppose by mistake you have deleted some word, okay, which are important and you want it back again on your computer screen. That time you can press this undo command which is present on the quick access toolbar, or else shortcut key is there, Ctrl plus Z. This is the shortcut key for undo command. Either you can press undo button on the quick access toolbar, or else you can press Ctrl plus Z. Whatever the action you did last performed, that will get reverted. Then redo command. What is a redo command? Redo command is used to quickly repeat the last actions that we have done. Whatever the actions we have performed, okay, whatever the action we have done last time, to repeat that action once again, to repeat it again and again, we can use this redo command. As its name indicate, redo, okay. To repeat the last action, we can use this redo command. Suppose we have pressed some word, okay, we have pressed some characters, alphabets. To press it, to get it printed on the screen again and again, we can use this redo command, okay, which is again present on quick access toolbar, or else the shortcut key for redo button is Ctrl plus Y. Okay, shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z, whereas shortcut key for redo button, redo action is Ctrl plus Y. So these are the two actions, undo and redo, which are used to revert the last action and to repeat the last action respectively. Children, even if these actions are used to repeat the last action and to revert the last action, but still there are certain actions, there are certain things which we do and we cannot redo or undo that actions. See, there are some actions that cannot be undone. Example, delete sheet and insert sheet. Suppose you are deleting some sheet, okay, or you are inserting some sheets in your Excel document, that cannot be undone. Suppose you have deleted and you are pressing Ctrl plus Z, and if you wish that it should come back once again, it will get appear on your screen. No children, you cannot do this because these are the actions which cannot be undone. Which are two actions? Delete sheet and insert sheets, which you can which you cannot undone, okay, which you cannot use undo button to revert it. Once you have deleted that sheet will get deleted forever, or once you have inserted the sheet, that sheet will get inserted over there. You cannot undo or redo these commands. On pressing an arrow on the right of undo or redo buttons on the quick access toolbar, a drop-down box appears with a list of last 100 actions. We can choose either undo or redo the options to retrieve the past action. See children, I told you that these are the commands which are available on quick access toolbar. Over there you can see one drop down arrow over there. Drop down the arrow which is heading down. Click on that. It will show you the last 100 actions you have performed. Whatever the actions may be, you are pressing spacebar key, you are typing something, you are typing some letters, alphabets, numbers, whatever. The last 100 actions are there. You can either undo or redo that action using this undo or redo command, which is available on the quick access toolbar. But remember children, there are two actions which cannot be undone, that is delete sheet and insert sheet. Once you deleted that sheet, you cannot undo that. Once you inserted the sheet, you cannot undo that. So these are the two actions. These are the two performs which you cannot undone. Okay. So some actions cannot be undone, such as clicking an office button, command, or saving a file. If you cannot undo an action, the undo command changes to can't undo. Now we have seen the actions like deleting sheet, inserting sheet. These also we cannot undo, whereas when you are clicking on office button, if you want to undo it, you cannot do that. Okay. And if the undo button is not able to perform whatever the task is given, it will give you the message like can't undo. That means I cannot undo this. Whatever the action you are performing, that I cannot do.